Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to post text on Facebook. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you share your thoughts with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, simply enter your email or phone number and password to sign in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top of your newsfeed. You'll see a bar that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on it. This is where you'll create your post. Now type whatever you'd like to share. It could be a thought, a question, or even just a quick update for your friends and family. Use the keyboard that pops up to write your message. Feel free to add emojis or symbols if you want to make it more expressive. When you finish typing, take a moment to review your post. Does it say exactly what you want? If so, it's time for the final step. Tap the Post button, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of your screen. And that's it. Your text is now live on Facebook for your selected audience to see. Congratulations, you've successfully posted text on Facebook. It's that easy. If you'd like to explore more features, like adding photos or tagging friends, stay tuned for future videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you next time.